You know what I'm good at?
What?
I'm good at sucking people dry.
Word.
I'm good at moving on my motherfucking life. I'm good at starting over and having new destinies and fantasies and friends.
Whoopsies.
I'm good at growing and elevating.
Whoopsies.
And you just mad?
Shadoodle-doo.
Why are you mad? Ever since I was little, you been in the same spot in your life.
Merry
You
Christmas,
mad at me. You should be
bitch.
mad at yourself, cuz
Yeah.
I never fucking aged.
Never.
I always walk with grace.
Grace.
I've been a bad bitch.
Bad.
Even if you never knew it, boo.
Your fault.
Yeah. Just because I'm from the P's
Peace.
don't mean I'm not a queen.
Facts.
Yeah. I always wear my crown.
Crown.
And I never fucking frown.
Never.
Yeah. My skin is like porcelain. Body's
Porcelain.
like, look like again.
Yummy.
Yeah. No surgery yet. And if I ever did it, bitch, I will look the best. Huh. Bitches couldn't even take me now. Imagine if I got my body done. Oh, wow.
Oh my God.
Another freestyle, you see. But this one's about the vampire in me. Cause I'm a motherfucking vampire from Brooklyn. Hey.
Facts.
I'ma bite your fucking neck. I'm always sucking niggas, but I never on my knees. Please, yeah. You looking musty? Nah, not for me.
Over there, bro.
Yeah,
If I kill you,
I only kill high class niggas. Where they at? Hey,
Where they at?
hey, where they at?
Hey. Yo. Get away from me if I kill you, bro. I'm good.
I laugh at lame bitches like you every day. And then I move on my life. I don't think twice about it, cause you know.
Yeah, that's kind
You
of.
gotta let life go. You can't be letting bitches stress you out.
Facts.
I'm a vampire. I've been doing this for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of years. You never saw a black vampire?
Centuries.
Well, look here, dear. Here's a beautiful one for you to see. Come here. Let me bite your neck, bitch. Oh, I wanna bite that bitch neck. Yup. And take her out her misery. Yup. She looking real desperate. In her cheap China weave. Hey, take that fucking wig off, see?
Sis.
Looking like Chanel B.
Life advice.
Drag race champion. Let me bite your neck, bitch. Yeah. These teeth don't discriminate.
Yum.
The skin don't discriminate.
Yup.
I won't fuck you, nigga, but I might kill ya. Yeah.
How you be a queen, Lex?
How you stay fly, son?
Just watch me.
I always be on my P's and Q's.
Ay.
Yeah. Have you ever seen Queen of the Dam?
Have you?
You should watch that. Yeah. I'm a cautious baby. And I'm gonna bite your neck. Don't act like you never seen a black vampire, bitch. You never saw a vampire in Brooklyn. Yeah, where's my respect? You better run, you better run. Here I come, here I come.
Here I come. Here I come.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? I'm like a siren.
Hello, baby.
Come here, come closer. You don't have to be scared.
No fear.
Suck it back, I got you! I'm full. Good night.
Yes, it's dead
Good
now.
night to all you bitches and all you bitches' dreams that died when you was 22. Don't be mad at me because I'm living my life and you bitches out there miserable, still in the same place you was when I was little. I'm just saying though, fuck with a vampire like me, maybe you're good far in life.
Maybe. I'm climbing, I'm shining, reminding you who the fuck that I am. Lexie Londonn, Bout That